Right, buddy. What do you want me to do in this movie of yours? I can sing. Sausages and gravy, sausages and peas, sausages and parsnips, sausages and cheese, a sausage and a pancake, all with an onion ring.
This isn't a movie about sausages, Groobie.
I can dance. Ta-da, 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 ta-da. I can juggle. I can also juggle with sausages.
Oh.
Hi, Eddi!
Hello, Pootle.
That's very peculiar. He's walking backwards. Why is he doing that?
Calculating the wind factor and velocity, he's probably aerodynamically faster than walking forwards. Or maybe he just fancied a change.
Are you getting all this, buddy? Pure gold.
Very groovy, Groobie.
Ongoing what? Eddi, hello. Groobie, hello.
Hello, Oopsy. Ooh.
Oi, you're supposed to be filming me, buddy.
But Oopsy's walking backwards.
I can walk backwards. And that's what we call stunt work. Did you catch that, buddy?
Sorry, Groobie. I was busy filming Oopsy.
No.
Buddy, bye. Groobie, bye. Go to a bye.
Look at me, Groobie! I'm walking backwards! Oh, could I have a peppermint Astro Blaster, please?
In a minute. In a minute. We're trying to make movie magic here.
And action!
Couldn't I just...
Not now, Pootle. This is a take.
No, buddy. You don't want to film me.
Very well.
On the other hand, I could sing. The thruster's stuck, the booster's bust.
Oh, sausages and gravy, sausages and peas.
The pistons have a
Sausages
touch
and
of rust.
parsnips, sausages
The radio
and cheese.
makes a nasty
A
buzz.
sausage and a pancake.
Cut!
Ooh, is someone making a movie? Marvellous.
Kiwi! Over here! Are you getting this, buddy?
Absolutely tooty.
Me now, buddy.
Groobie, Ray and I haven't finished our dance demonstration.
A sausage and a pancake, or with an onion ring.
Well, while everybody's busy making their movie, I think I'll go and see what Oopsy's up to. Have you seen her, Groobie?
What's that?
Oopsy,
Yes. Yes, she was here earlier.
do you know where she went?
That way. Now, you'll have to excuse me, Pootle. I have my big scene coming up.
Help! I'm stuck! Can anybody hear me? I don't like it down here. Somebody! Anybody! Help!
Oopsy? Oopsy! Where are you? She can't have gone far. Oopsy? Oopsy!
I want to go home! Help!
Huh? Oopsy?
I really need a bigger pot for my lunar flower.
I haven't, but maybe Eddi does. I'll go and ask him for you.
Thank you, Oopsy.
Are you having a snooze, Eddi?
Well, not anymore, I'm not. What did you do that for?
I just wondered if you had a spare flower pot Stella could borrow.
No, Oopsy, I haven't. And I'm trying to sleep. Maybe Pootle has one.
Good idea.
Bye, Oopsy.
Bye, Eddi.
No!
Are you fixing your spaceship, Pootle?
Oh. Oopsie.
I was just wondering if you had a spare flower pot for Stella.
I don't think so. Have you tried Groobie?
Not yet. I'll go there now. Bye.
Easy does it.
Hello there, Groobie.
Mouldy meteors.
Sorry, Groobie.
Oh dear, oh dear.
Oh, Oopsy.
I just wanted to ask if you had a spare flower pot for Stella. But I can see you're busy.
Oh, dear.
See you later, Groobie.
Oh, no.
What's happened here?
Oopsy and that megaphone. That's what happened.
She made me drop all my buttons.
And she woke me up. I was having such a lovely dream.
She gave me a shock too, but I'm sure she didn't mean it.
Can you ask her not to be so loud?
Well, okay. I'll go and talk to her.
There we are, Ray. One vegetable pizza. Not before you've washed your wings.
Oopsie!
Hi, Pootle.
Oopsie, I need to talk to you about your megaphone.
Oh, it's great, isn't it? And really loud.
Yeah, certainly is. But sometimes things can be a teeny bit too loud.
Really?
And a teeny bit, annoying.
Oh.
But maybe you could go and use it somewhere else. Somewhere where nobody is around.
But no one would hear it.
You'd still hear it.
Oh. All right. I'll go and use it somewhere where nobody is around. See you later, Pootle. Five mushrooms
are growing in the forest.